Folks, we got yet another beautiful 250-gallon pit rolling out of TMG pits here in Knoxville, Tennessee today. This one going around man Uzi and West Palm, and what a shocker we got here, guys. So 250-gallon on our single axle trailer package. Now all of our trailers are built in-house. We design around your setup and we build them right, guys. So we got a powder coated finish here, gloss black powder coated finish, double frame rail going all the way back, single 3,500 pound axle on this setup, all LED lighting. But y'all ain't here for the trailer, you're here for the pit. So let's check her out. Now we'll open it up here. The counterweights are an option on the 250, but man, do they make it easy to open and close these doors. On the bottom here, we got 3 trays. The trays are removable on the bottom. Of course, we got our sliding top grates there. That is all standard equipment, as well as the TMG Pit Tell Truth thermometers. I ain't gonna charge you extra for those. Even though I want to, I'm not gonna do it. On the stack, we got our fold down stack. That comes on every 250, every tank smoker, may I say, as well as the insulated firebox. So guys, we will not have a tank smoker roll out of here without an insulated firebox. They hold heat great, paint holds up better. 3/8 thick, 24-inch diameter pipe on the inside, wrapped with insulation. Doors insulated, front of it's insulated as well. Just makes the 250 run like an absolute dream. On the back of the trailer here, we've got a stainless steel prep top. That's a great option, probably our #1 option on the trailer package to have this. Still got all your storage underneath. Fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to rock and roll. That's it on this rig, guys. She's about to roll out. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.